Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to clear content from an Excel spreadsheet in Power Automate. We will target and remove our content in this flow by providing the cell and row index in a Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector action. Before we get started, it would be great if you could like the video and subscribe to our channel. First, we will click Create, and then we'll select the Instant Cloud Flow option for this flow. We'll use this option so we can have full control over our data. We'll begin by setting up a Get File Content action to grab our Excel file. I'm using a demo file located in a OneDrive folder. This demo file contains a Hello World string in column A, row 1, and I'm going to clear that string in our next step. To find the action we're going to use, let's add a new action, and let's type Cloudmersive into the search bar. From here, we can scroll down the list of Cloudmersive connectors until we find the Document Conversion connector with the green logo. We can click See More, and then we can look for an action called Clear Cell Contents in an Excel Spreadsheet by Index. This action should be near the top of our list, and we can select it once we find it. We'll first need to configure our connection if we haven't done that already. To use this action, we will need a premium Power Automate account and a free Cloudmersive API key. With a free Cloudmersive API key, we can make up to 800 API calls per month with no additional commitments. We can get our API key by creating a free account on the Cloudmersive website. After configuration is complete, we can click Show All to view the parameters. Here, we can first enter our file bytes in the file input parameter. We could alternatively use a public URL to perform this operation as well. The cell index and row index inputs take zero-based values rather than the letter and number values we expect to see in a normal Excel spreadsheet. That means, for example, that column A is column 0 and row 1 is row 0. The content I'm going to delete is located at A1, so I'm entering 0, 0 into my cell index and row index inputs respectively. If our spreadsheet has multiple worksheets, we should specify the worksheet name we're intending to perform this action on, otherwise it will default to the first worksheet. This action is designed to chain together with other Cloudmersive document conversion actions, so we're going to get a temporary editing URL as our output. To get file bytes from our URL, we will need to add a new action, and then type Finish Editing Document into the search bar. If we scroll down a bit, we should find the Finish Editing Document action show up in our search, and we can select it from here. We can enter dynamic content from our previous step labeled Edited Document URL in our only request parameter. Now, if we add a new action to create our file, we can select dynamic content labeled Output Content from our Finish Editing step as the file bytes for our new Excel document. We could also use this content to update our existing Excel file if we preferred. I'm now going to save my flow and run a test. As we can see, the Hello World string from my original Excel document is now gone. That's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to a member of our team.